Wick's got the door panel off. Working on trying to get that window back where it goes.
Yeah, this doesn't seem to be right.
So,
Oh, this doesn't seem like it should be lying in the bottom of the door to me.
yeah, window tracks should not be in the bottom of the door. That's both of them, it appears.
Yes, this is probably why the window is not going up and down. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's a good...
At least to start, right?
yeah, at least you have everything,
I think so.
I think. So that's already better than a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
The masking tape was a cute...
Yeah, that's a kind of a nice little touch.
that was a cute little touch.
So is this spot welded on? It just came off. Yeah.
Yeah, yay.
See this track? Oh, yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, that track's a little...
I'm gonna have to get another one of these.
That explains why the window is stuck down.
Pull the glass out to get it out of there.
And you gotta get it out of those rollers then when you do that. But that's not too bad.
No.
Clippy right there. I used to have these rollers. I think I might still have some if we need them. I used to stock those. Because, you go to the parts store and they look at you like you're got 4 eyes and 6 ears when you ask for something that easy. It's kind of like you going to the store earlier and they don't have gas cans at the auto parts store.
Yeah. Pretty crazy.
Thanks, California.
Yeah. To replace this felt, you got to replace the whole window,
The whole frame.
the whole frame. You can get, probably get this glass out of here. But yeah, the felt's built into this side. This doesn't seem right, but I think that seam right there, I wonder if that seam is supposed to be right about in here, or maybe they wanted to overlap, but it seems kind of stupid. You have to replace all of the weather stripping just to pull out the vent window.
Well, we'll check it out because you have the book, so we can tear into it a little further.
Yeah, I had to drill that bad boy out.
A little rusty crusty.
Yeah, it's two screws so far. The rest of it.
Oop, Rick's phone makes all kinds of noises today.
Yeah, stupid canary shit. I got to turn back on because you got the window in front.
Oh yeah. All right. Progress on day 1 with this car.
Yeah, so I wanted to kind of get it open and see if there's anything else I need to order besides that other piece, but the rollers actually look like they're half decent.
Those things are dirt cheap though, Wick. They're like a couple bucks a piece, maybe.
Yeah, they're riveted on there though. So
That's true.
I need the drilling and riveting, which if that's not necessary.
Yeah. Solve any headaches possible.
I mean, it moves fine.
There she goes.
Mine's a little bit on the way down.
Yeah, but a little grease will solve that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I wonder if I should take that regulator out. I guess I probably should, huh?
Yeah. And then we'll
Clean it
try
up.
firing this baby up in a minute.